That is a full packer brisket. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Weighs 16.5 pounds, 16.58. It was $5.49 a pound. There's $100 worth of brisket here. You might be asking, why are you in the camper? I am in the camper because I can control the lighting, and it's 40 degrees outside. We're gonna need some paper towels. There's a lot of blood in that package. Let's get this puppy out. The other reason I'm in the camper is I got running water in here. I was gonna do this on the deck. No running water, can't wash your hands. This wasn't gonna be good. This side we have some what looks like unpleasantness. I'm going to cut that off. I don't know what it is, why it's black, but it's coming off and it's going to go be used for something else. Normally I'd use mustard, but this time we're going to go for the Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. This gets messy. Stuff off. Sprinkle side. My own brand. It's all about branding. Not Brandon. Branding. Oh, you guys can smell this. Oh, it smells good. Okay, so there's your binder. And then just douse liberally. You make a huge mess in the camper. Do the edges too, but I'm going to flip it first. Gotta get the ends and the sides too, so that will be done on this round. This is going to form a, you won't even taste the barbecue sauce, but it will give it a little bit more sweetness. And this will form the bark. If we do it right. Oh boy, what a mess I've got. Mrs. Devil is in here. Be like, what are you doing? Why are you making a mess? I'm gonna inject that flat, this part here, with a little bit of beef broth. Give it a little bit extra moisture. Hopefully a little bit more flavor. And do it without squirting it out all over the table. Like that. Let's try that. See how that works out. There's a probe we're going to stick in there. Having issues here with the cord. Hang on. This is going to go probably there. It's safe to say it's definitely going to go there. This will go on it afterwards, so we can go. Let's see what. This should be close to room temperature. But I bet it's not. 45 degrees in the middle. All right, let's go check our fire. Okay, our temperature is 250. You can see the coals have started doing their little path around. So let's get this grill scraped off, cleaned off, and put the meat on. There we go, we got it on. If anybody doubts that this is not a massive piece of meat.
That's what she said! Woo!
That's the big Weber kettle grill. That's the big one. Now, get it on there. I'll do it this way so the smoke will go around a little bit. Little friend the bee needs to go away. So we got the smoke coming out. Temperature should be around 225. That is a massive piece of meat. So we'll check back when it gets to about 170 degrees, and then we'll wrap it. We'll check the bark. We will be coming back and spritzing this throughout the day as well to keep it moist. It's looking good. We are at 156 degrees. It is about 8 hours later. And we got a nice bark forming. So you're doing good. Let me get it up to about 170 if I can, and then I'll wrap it. Time to wrap. There. Now it's got to go back in until it hits 200. 205, somewhere in there. Okay, it has been many hours. This has been wrapped. It's been cooked to roughly 200 degrees. Couldn't get it any higher than that. And now it's time to unwrap it. I'm going to unwrap it in here, and then it's a little difficult. It's difficult to do this with the cell phone in my hands because I'm going to get this really messy with grease. So let me get this unwrapped and up on the counter, and we'll go from there. Get you in here a little closer. Get a good view. We've got the point over here on my right, on your right, and then we've got the flat somewhere in here. So what we need to do is find out where the two come together, which is feels like somewhere in about here, and we're going to split it. Wow, look at that. That looks so good. Look at the juice coming out. So I'm going to take a piece off here. Got into it. Check that out. It's just falling apart. So that, my friends, is how you cook a brisket. Next up, how you eat a brisket. Just kidding. Thanks for watching.